Good morning, crypto fam. What's happening? Welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott, and whether you're watching on IGTV, Facebook, or YouTube, it's a pleasure to have you here. I've got a question for you. Do you think XRP can become the world reserve currency, the global reserve currency, the global bridge asset between trading and transfers? Bit of a tinfoil that question, don't you think? I couldn't help myself, guys. I couldn't fucking help myself. I made myself a tinfoil hat. Alex Cobb stream with Bob Way. So, great stream. I ain't even seen it all yet. It's 3 hours. When something's that long, you've kind of got to do it in stints at times, unless you've got the time available right there, right then. But decent stream of what I've seen. Everyone's like got a little... Everyone seems to have enjoyed it, so well done, Alex. Great shit for the community, that's great stuff. Kurt, what a fucking guy, I love it to bits, man. It's like my brother. But he's been saying this, Kurt, now, and I've been with him. The moment he said it, I'm thinking like, shit, because I didn't really know about the Triffids dilemma, and I didn't really know this and that. Kurt learned it before me, right? So Kurt was the one who went down that hole, and Kurt was the one who learned it, and then he told me, and I'm like, shit, yeah, you're right, man. And it's been a year. He did fucking the master plan and economic machine and all that. They're fucking running up to a year since those videos, guys. So get your ass back and watch them. Go and watch Kurt's the videos from last year, the master plan, the world reserve currency, the economic machine video, even watch globalizations, mentioned a little bit in that. But the main thing, and Alex, great guy, mate, channel's awesome and all that, you're a fucking absolutely amazing part of the community, mate. Make no mistake of that. But tinfoil that question, bro. Tinfoil that question. You would have just said, Love for Crypto has asked this question. They've been beating this. Because Digital Asset Investor, mate, your video, oh yes, lad, yes. I'll have some of that. And in fact, mate, thank you very much for the shout out. Again, it's more aimed at Kurt. I'm on board with that. The minute Kurt told me, but Kurt was the one who found it out. Kurt was the one who went down that hole. And he was the one who said it first. It was on our channel before any other channel. So, why are we so sure it's going to be a new world reserve currency, a new global currency? Well, for starters, go and look at how much of the actual basket the euros took since being out. Go and look at how much of the basket the yuans took, the Chinese yuan or whatever, how the fuck have you, I'm supposed to say it with this accent, yuan, Chinese yuan, yuan, Chinese yuan? Yeah, let's not go down that road, Chinese accent, what the fuck. Go and look up the Triffids dilemma, right? So, look up the Triffids dilemma. Google China calls for new reserve currency. Google United Nations calls for new reserve currency. Google IMF creating new reserve currency like the special drawing rights SDR basket. That's gonna... It'll end up XRP. It might be other coins as well. The level playing field, it's in the title of the documentary. They've all been saying it. We need a level playing field. If you just have XRP, that's not a level playing field, is it? If we just had one electric provider, it's not fair, healthy competition. One mobile phone provider wouldn't be healthy competition. It would run away in price, and we'd all end up overcharged. The fact that there's going to be choice. XRP is the chosen standard, which is ridiculously fast, cheap, frictionless, reliable, it's trust-free, it's just everything it needs to fucking be. It is the chosen standard. Doesn't mean it's the only one. It means everything else has to follow the key bullet points of that standard. So for instance, let's step back a little bit and just imagine what does that actually mean. So Ethereum, you want to go and create an ERC20 token, I think there's about 12 rules or protocols your token has to follow to work, be allowed, and all that bullshit on the Ethereum network. So the interledger protocol is going to have its own set of protocols that each other token or coin has got to follow to be considered one of these new bridge assets in the global reserve basket. Make no mistake, guys, that basket is will be changed from fiat currencies. There's a small chance you get some CBDCs in there, but I personally, and I don't know Kurt's thought on this, I might even speak to him about it tonight. We've spoke about it before, but I just can't remember what he thinks. But I personally think you're going to have an SDR basket of cryptos, XRP being the first one, XLM being another, maybe even EOS, Ethereum itself. Who knows? Do you know what I mean? Who knows which ones are actually going to be it? I don't. I just come on speculating. I just drop videos like this so we can speculate, and you can go away and look at the Triffids dilemma and look at how for the last 10 years people have called for a new reserve currency, and then come into the comments and engagement and give me your thoughts on it, and then maybe we can get a little bit deeper, and then maybe another video comes in 2 weeks and we're like, fuck, yeah, all 100%, and you can see it as clear as we see it. When you see the documents we've seen, for as long as we've seen them, it's clear as fucking day to us. ILP, clear as day. XRPL, clear as day how big it's going to be and the implications of it forward. Did a video the other day of the true impact of the Internet of Value, and I'm only scraping the surface in the video because it's flaming 10 minutes. I might just do the true impact of the Internet of Value part 2 and go deeper into the wages and machine-to-machine payments, or maybe just leave machine-to-machine and do an Internet of Things one. But going off subject, XRP will become the global reserve currency, the world reserve currency, however you want to put it. US dollar has about 60% at the moment, the euro's got about 24%, the British pound's got about 6%, the Chinese yuan's got about 4%. All then pulled out. XRP and a couple more that meet the standard will be put into bridge value and transfer value between assets and networks. Guys, there's so many people in the world just don't want a currency that's controlled by the Federal Reserve, or they don't want a currency that's controlled by the Bank of England, or they don't want to bridge through a currency that's controlled by a Russian bank or a Chinese bank. They want currencies that they can trust, that's reliable, it's immutable, it's transparent, but can also be private. Blockchain, DLT, ILP, XRPL provides that for them. So, DYOR, do your own research. Go and search Triffids dilemma. Go and search out, like I said, China calls for this new currency, IMF to create new currency. The World Bank, UN, United Nations, the EU, you type in anyone calls for reserve currency, something will pop up. Happy Friday, guys. I hope you have a fantastic day today. Just if it's payday, you know the script. Get yourself invest a little bit. See, what people used to say and usually say is, oh, you've been paid, what, save a little bit for the rainy day. Save a little bit for the rainy day. Now, fuck that. Get a little bit in XRP for the rainy day. No saving cash anymore, guys. Get it in XRP. So don't delay. Go get it today. Accumulate and wait. Live long and hodl. Because we love crypto. We love you. We love XRP. And we love the way the future looks. Because it looks bright. As long as you're happy when you get there, I see no problem. Let them have control. Let them have surveillance. As long as you're not a criminal. As long as you're living righteously by the book. As long as you're happy. Who cares? Peace out, guys. Enjoy your Friday. Have a great weekend. I'll see you soon. Peace out.